Yeah. It's not in so now, why they not have the funny? I want to be, and you know, my ladies, I don't have to move, not see anybody. Even you cannot collect them. Now, no, you blow yourself.
Ọ̀rọ̀ Bobrisky tí àwọn àjọ EFCC fi páńpẹ́ ọba gbé lórí ẹ̀sùn títàbùkù owó náírà orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ó ti wá dójú ẹ̀ báyìí o. Tá a bá wo sàkún ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀hún dáadáa á rántí pé fíìmù àgbéléwò kan tí Eniola Ajo ṣe síta ló dá gbogbo rògbòdìyàn yìí sílẹ̀ fún Bobrisky tọ́pọ̀ gọ́sì tí wá ń wòye pé kí ni akitiyan tí Eniola Ajo ń ṣe láti rí wípé àjọ EFCC fi Bobrisky sílẹ̀ àbíṣe ni Eniola Ajo kàn lọ Bobrisky láti fi promote fíìmù àgbéléwò rẹ̀ tó sì ti wá dànù bí omi ìṣanwọ́ pàápàá pẹ̀lú bí Eniola Ajo wọ́n ṣe invite Portable Baby síbi sinimá tó ti ń ṣe àfihàn fíìmù ọ̀hún tó sì tún gba Portable Baby láàyè láti máa fi ọ̀rọ̀ Bobrisky ṣe àwẹ̀wà kó fi máa káàkiri cruise èyí tí wọ́n sì fi sí orí ayélujára ọ̀pọ̀ ló sì mọ ipa tí Portable Baby kó lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí gan kódà ó ṣàwo orin tuntun fún Bobrisky tó pe àkọlé rẹ̀ ní brotherhood orin ọ̀hún ló tà títí kódà àwọn olówó kan tó fowó ṣàánú wọ́n gbé mọ́tò bọ̀gìnì wọ́n fi ta Portable Baby lọ́rẹ látàrí àwo orin brotherhood tó ṣe fún Bobrisky ọ̀hún èyí ló wá jẹ́ kí ọ̀pọ̀ mọ̀ wòye pé irú ìwà alábòsí wo ó ní Eniola ń wù yìí láàrin Portable Baby àti Bobrisky pàápàá pẹ̀lú irú ipò tí Bobrisky wà báyìí lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí. Yeye Kudi wá ṣe analysis ìwà tí Eniola ń wù yìí wọ́n lọ́rọ̀ òun dàbí ta alábòsí tó ṣe wípé ó kàn lo Bobrisky ni láti fi dé ipò gíga tó wá padà wá já Bobrisky kulẹ̀. Ó gbẹnu tán ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa kí n tó wá fi fọ́nrán ọ̀hún léde báyìí káàbọ̀ sí ìkànnì Digi Naija Television ẹ má gbàgbé láti máa bá wa tẹ subscribe button tí ń bẹ lójú ìwòran yín like ẹ comment kẹ̀sì máa fi fọ́nrán ìsọwọ́ lógúnlógún lọ́gbọ̀nlọ́gbọ̀n ẹ ṣeun púpọ̀. Yeye Kudi sọ ọ̀rọ̀ rẹpẹtẹ lórí ìwà hypocrisy tí Eniola Ajo hù lásìkò tí Portable Baby wá síbi sinimá rẹ̀ tó sì ń fi ọ̀rọ̀ Bobrisky tó fi ń tayín bí ẹni tó ṣẹ̀ jẹ̀bọ̀ ọkọ̀ tó tán bí ẹ má jẹ́ ń gbà wá lásìkò púpọ̀ jù ẹ jẹ́ ń gbé fọ́nrán wọlé báyìí ká gbọ́ àlàyé tí Yeye Kudi ṣe lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí mò ń padà bọ̀.
Nollywood industry, yes, they fought everybody, long-term relationship, everybody. But you can tell, all of them, what they do when they want to do a movie or bring out a movie or everything, they will bring up a scandal. Like that girl that gave us a nice boobie and was knocking one guy that they said the guy is a football coach. Don't knock him, boy. By one pretty yellow girl like that, they said it's for her movie. She did it to chase clout. They will do something to try and get us to watch the movie. Wako Ballet Jenny. Even Kunle Afolayan at the time, they now said that it was for people to notice him. They said he may be a lie. You understand? Moyo, yes. You understand? So the way they do things, even what's her name? That our girl, the musician, that time she enjoyed that something. Kí lorúkọ ọmọ wa yẹn tó ní pé ìgbádùn kékeré yẹn ni kíní kan Tiwa Savage. They said she did it to chase clout too. So ọ̀rọ̀ wọn ó bà mí lẹ́rù gan, because with all that happened, I would have expected Bobrisky not to go for that meet and greet, but he still went. You understand? So meaning he laid his all. Okay, they said it's that event or whatever event that he was spraying money led him to where he is now, and he's been behind bars, remanded in custody since. They said there's more to the matter, because if it is only this matter, worst case scenario, they don't sentence him to 3 months in jail behind bar, they always use them as deterrents for all that, because it's a celebrity. At least when they put him in jail, all of us will learn, will stop putting money on the ground like he did, and misbehaving and abusing our currency, Nigeria currency. I don't know if it is more than the matter. And he has been in custody since then. The only solidarity we saw, probably there are secret ones she's doing, but the one we saw was that she updated for him. Now, my people, was she meant to welcome Zazu? And Zazu was talking against Bobrisky when they sat in the cinema. She was beside Bobrisky, Zazu. And Bobby was talking again, and she was just doing, oh. I was totally gutted. And this is what happens to we speakers. God forbid. Do not allow whatever you are talking about lead you to jail or destroy your life. Because you people watching, that's what Eniola did. Some of you speakers, you will be doing things as if you don't mind going to jail for it. No Nelson Mandela in any of us. Wallahi, you do Nelson Mandela now, you do it for yourself, because the people you are doing it for, they are the same one that will say, Àṣejù ẹ̀pọ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí, who does this apply to? It applies to Bobrisky. The people he still came again to come and show. I don't know where he got the bundle of money. What remained in custody is the person that gave him back their son to Buddha to fi shesin. Eniola Ajo. And when I said that this is hypocrisy, this is betrayal, then some people came there to say, leave Eniola. Do I want Bobrisky to spoil our brand? Are you people for real? Abi, isn't she supposed to suffer this thing with Bobrisky? Because it was her case that led Bobrisky into where he is. And I'm thinking in my head, really? Do you people, when I said this is betrayal, Zazu was beside her. Is she not supposed to be sincere? Let's forget anything. She's not supposed to welcome Zazu. If not that, she's not concerned about what happens to Bobrisky, what ends him, what Zazu says about him, sings about him, disgraces him publicly. Meanwhile, it was because of her. Even if she did it, she used Bobrisky to chase clout. Because having used Bobrisky, getting that award, it gave a lot of people attention. It gave a lot of people, people were interested. Why? And of course, that was a way for me to people. It was a way of her creating awareness about her movie. So the guy laid his own life for her movie. After doing that, the guy, they still remanded him in custody. Reasons best known to them. I don't want to know it. I'm hoping it has nothing to do with his trans, whatever. Maybe they want him to truly declare. If he's trans, there's no law against trans in Nigeria. But there's law against homo marriage. You understand? There's law against that. But trans, no. I believe if you're a trans, I don't think there's law. There's no law against you. So maybe they want to know, is he maybe that is part of the reason he's being remanded in custody, to really, instead of misleading the public. And of course, if he's misleading the public, telling the public, I have a boyfriend, it's not allowed in Nigeria. Trans, I think, is allowed because there's no law against trans. Go and check their constitution. Here, it's all allowed. There's equality of all this, no discrimination here in Iloyibo. But in Nigeria, depending on your jurisdiction, you have to abide by the law and the rule of the land that you are in. So, in this situation, Oroyi maybe got, because if you remember, it was during that time, this guy, a VDM, had issue with Bobrisky and was saying that he has been doing stuff and been going scot-free because, you know, of all the things he said, which they said was defamatory. Because how could you accuse senators and stuff like that? Because if Bobrisky doesn't have connections like that, he does many things that is not allowed in the land, and nobody has made any arrest. It could be that reason. You know that we've noticed lately, the police, anytime they see that you talk against something and the public, they will quickly act. It could be that reason that brought unnecessary attention on him. And the song that this guy sang again, top it up. And maybe not today that is there now, he was enjoying it. He was saying to his people, I think it's time you people arrest this boy. Let's even understand, who is he, Gogono? Then he's still there. He never reached 1 week. You hosted the person that did all that to him. I'm not saying we should gang fight, but at least I'm just saying I hope people are learning. How can you host the same person to see Bobrisky whilst he's languishing in custody, and you and when he was saying those nasty things about Bobrisky, go and check Eniola's body chemistry. She was saying, she was smiling, she was finding it funny. She was just wrong. She wasn't saying, don't talk like that. No. You know, she wasn't firm. She wasn't stern. She was just acting along and behaving as if Bobrisky Tigbe. I don't pity Bobrisky. Am I getting me wrong? In fact, don't page me. Some people have been calling, is he related to me? I said, you don't know that all the people that called me Kudi risky. You don't know I those are people that I hate with a passion. They call me that. They are using it to abuse my name. You think it's something I like?
Èèyàn wa, ṣé lóòótọ́ ni pé ìwà àbòsí ni Eniola Ajo hù láàrin Portable Baby àti Bobrisky àti pé èèyàn wa, kí lè rògbà tí yín náà lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí? Ǹjẹ́ tí Eniola Ajo ǹjẹ́ tó ṣe, ǹjẹ́ tó dáa ni, ǹjẹ́ tó bójú mu ni, gbogbo àwọn ìwà tó wù láàrin Portable Baby àti Bobrisky yìí, gbogbo èrò ọkàn ti yín ẹ máa sọ sí comment kájọ máa gbọ́rọ̀ ọ̀hún yẹ̀ wò títí dìgbà míì táti wọn àjọ máa pàdé. Ìkànnì Digi Naija Television ní kẹ́ ẹ máa wò lóòrèkóòrè o. Ẹ sì má gbàgbé láti tẹ subscribe button tí ń bẹ lójú ìwòran yín. Ẹ like, ẹ comment, kẹ́ sì máa share fídíò ìlógúnlógún lọ́gbọ̀lọ́gbọ̀. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀ tẹ́ ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa ní gbogbo ìgbà.